In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Weebly. This is a straightforward process that will enhance your site's navigability and user experience. Whether you're linking to a specific page within your site or an external URL, seamlessly integrating these links can make a significant difference. Let's dive in and get started. First off, you're going to begin by logging into your Weebly account. If you haven't visited Weebly in a while, you'll find that the login process is still simple and intuitive. Just head over to their main site and enter your credentials as prompted. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate directly to your website dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and you can access it by selecting Website from the menu, followed by Edit Site. Now, with your website dashboard open, it's time to navigate to the specific page you wish to edit. Perhaps you have a piece of text, an image, or even a button on a particular page that you're aiming to make clickable. Simply identify where on your site this element resides. Once you've pinpointed its location, you're set to move forward. Next, carefully highlight the element you wish to make interactive. This could be the text, image, or button that you've decided will serve as the link. By highlighting it, you're telling the Weebly editor exactly what you wish to transform into a hyperlink. With your element highlighted, look for the chain link icon in your editing toolbar. This icon usually appears among the text options or within the element settings. Clicking this icon will open up the Insert Link window, which is your gateway to hyperlinking within Weebly. It opens up a variety of linking options for you. Here, in the Insert Link window, you'll need to choose the type of link you want to create. Weebly offers several options here, including linking to a standard page within your own website, an external website URL, or even attaching a file. Select the option that best suits your needs. For instance, if you want to lead viewers to another page on your own site, select Standard Page. If the goal is to direct them to an external resource, you'll choose Website URL. After you've made your selection and input any necessary information, simply hit Done. This effectively sets your link in place. But there's one final, crucial step: ensuring your changes go live. For that, you'll need to click Publish. This action updates your site so that all your changes, including your newly added links, are visible to anyone visiting your page. And there you have it. Your clickable content is now live on your Weebly site. With just a few simple and easy steps, you've successfully navigated the linking process, enhancing the way users engage with your content. Keep exploring and experimenting with these tools to create a seamless browsing experience for your visitors.